BeastFunnels review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my BeastFunnels review demo and $5,197 bonus. Now what it is in a nutshell, it is a funnel creator. Okay, so obviously if you want to sell anything online, you need a funnel, even a small mini funnel with just a squeeze page and a thank you page, and you need to create it somehow. Okay, so there are no free funnel creators out there, and this one is actually pretty cool because it is a one-time price and the quality is pretty amazing, especially for making money online. Okay, so let me share my screen, let's jump into this BeastFunnels review. But before we start, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let's compare some prices. Okay, so if you would get ClickFunnels, you would have to pay $97 per month at a minimum. Okay, so obviously ClickFunnels has more bells and whistles, but if you are only starting out, you will probably not use like 80% of the features. Okay, so just to keep in mind, ClickFunnels is at least $97 per month or $297 per month. Lead pages is anywhere from $25 per month to $200 per month. So again, if you're a beginner, you will probably not use all of these, advanced features, etc. That's why BeastFunnels is cool, and it will be a one-time price. Okay, so as you can see, the sales page says, never before seen profit funnel creates free traffic instantly and generates you a 100% hands-free business. Now the cool thing is that you're also going to get extensive video training on how to generate all the traffic. So obviously if you're going to have a funnel on its own, you will not be making money, but all the traffic training is included. And by the way, with my bonus, you're going to get an additional just an avalanche of different traffic sources and also different software. So let's check out the sales page. So this is Brendan Mace, the guy behind this whole new product. Obviously he talks about how simple it is. He has some income proof. This is a simple 3-step process. As always, you've guys seen these sales pages, what they say. We get some testimonials. We have a demo right here. I'm going to do a little demo in just a second. He's just essentially mentioning what is included. Some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses obviously on top of whatever is mentioned on the sales page. Money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part, and that's essentially it. Check it out once it's live. Now let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, I'm inside and the setup is pretty simple. Okay, so you can either create a new campaign or you can access the campaigns that you already created. So first of all, let me just show you how it looks like. So we have the landing page. So let me show you what an example landing page looks like. So as you can see, pretty amazing. And the cool thing is that these landing pages convert really well. Why? First of all, as you can see, we have an exit pop-up. So that's a booster, conversion booster number 1. And then we also have this progress bar. Now a progress bar always helps because people think that like you're gonna run out of the ebook that you're giving away or something. So these are 2 massive conversion boosters, and definitely every single squeeze page should have one. So as you can see, it looks slick. People enter their email and they enter your funnel. Now we also have a thank you page. So as you can see, this is an example of a thank you page. So essentially tell people what they need to do. So step 1, step 2, you can add your picture, and this is how people download whatever you are offering. Okay, so obviously all of this is editable, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do in a second. Okay, so simple 2-step funnels. And right now let's click on add a new campaign and let's see how to set it up. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, we can pick a template. We have either this one or this one. You just add the name. So let's add a name right here. We have the offer URL, which is your affiliate links. Okay, so obviously after people opt in, they will be instantly redirected to an affiliate offer. So this is where you add your affiliate link. We have another option, how many referrals before a referral can change their affiliate link. So this is another feature, very useful. We can add your name and your photo. So this is what you saw on the bottom of the page. So this is great for branding. You can also add a push notification script. So if you want to create an additional traffic source for yourself with push notifications, you can. I would definitely recommend it. And also a ManyChat script. So you can essentially create 3 different traffic sources for yourself from that one squeeze page. Okay, so obviously you're gonna get the email. That's how you're gonna be emailing people with an autoresponder, and also you're going to create a ManyChat list and a push notification script. Now if you would like to put it all together with like a regular funnel builder, it would be pretty complicated, okay? And the cool thing is that everything is integrated right here and it's pretty simple. Now right here, when it comes to the autoresponder, the cool thing is that obviously you can add any autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp, or if you don't have an autoresponder, BeastFunnels will actually store your leads for you, okay? So as you can see, we can pick I don't have an autoresponder, save my leads locally, which means that again, all your leads will be saved, and once you will get an autoresponder, you can just import all of them all at once and start emailing. So again, I really like this, especially because you have the 3 different traffic sources included, the push notifications and the ManyChat, and these pages look pretty slick. So very cool. Obviously, once all of this is ready, we just click on save and publish and we are done. Now let me show you all of the tutorials. So first of all, we have BeastFunnels walkthrough. So we have the video that will show exactly how to use it, how to set it up, and also how to make money with it. Then we have get free traffic. Now this is where you will actually be able to generate all the traffic for your funnel. So having a funnel on its own, you know, it's okay, but you do need the traffic, so you're gonna get the traffic training. First of all, the old Facebook method, then get unlimited buyer traffic. You can join a couple of Facebook groups right here, then increase engagement with your potential buyers, and manage your friends list, and also curiosity posts, send people to your funnel and grow your audience at the same time. So as you can see, all the traffic training is included. We also have paid traffic, so you will be getting training on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads. Okay, so Bing Ads training, Google Ads training, Facebook Ads training, and we also have a recommended traffic source, which is Solo Traffic Net, and also you're gonna get a special 20% discount for BeastFunnels customers only. Okay, and also we have a case study. So this case study, as you can see, actually a couple of case studies. So Equinox case study and Invisible case study, which are 2 different products being released earlier by Brendan. Okay, so all the video training, case study, you know, everything you need to actually start making money with BeastFunnels is included. So guys, that's what's on the inside. Let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells right now. Okay, so as you can see, so BeastFunnels will be $12.95. That's the early bird price. If you want to show up early and snatch it for that early bird price, you can, but keep in mind the price will be going up. Now you will be presented with a few one-time offers after picking up BeastFunnels, and BeastFunnels OTO number 1 is $37, and this is the Platinum edition. So here you're going to be removing all restrictions. So with the main BeastFunnels, you're getting 2 different funnels and 2 different squeeze pages. You're removing all restrictions, which means that you're going to get a total of, I believe, 8. So that's the Platinum edition. BeastFunnels OTO number 2, $197. This is a done for you edition, which are 20 blogs promoting top ClickBank products. So essentially everything set up for you for these ClickBank promotions. BeastFunnels OTO number 3, $197. This is done for you multi-million-dollar system. So an additional system, and they call it the multi-million-dollar system. BeastFunnels OTO number 4, $197. This is unlimited traffic, so we can become a member of Brendan's VIP traffic group. Essentially, this allows you to place your Google Pixel on the sales page for BeastFunnels, and then you can funnel the traffic out. So a little bit more expensive, but definitely worth it if you want to run Google Ads. And this is retargeting, so you will be paying pennies instead of you know, sometimes $1 per click. And BeastFunnels OTO number 5, $167. These are license rights to sell BeastFunnels as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel to yourself. So me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can make 100% commissions on the whole funnel, including the $197 upsells. Okay, so guys, let me show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you, because I have a huge, well over $5,000 bonus. Now, before I will show you all of the bonuses, let me just tell you that BeastFunnels goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on July 22nd. If you do want to get all of these bonuses for free, all you have to do is just pick it up from my link, and you will probably get it anyways. Why not pick it up from my link and get all of these bonuses? So first of all, if you do want to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog. Or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 a.m. Eastern on July 22nd. So first of all, you're gonna get a total of 6 custom-made bonuses. So these custom-made bonuses are about 4 different ways of getting traffic, and then also video secrets and funnel secrets. Okay, so definitely an amazing custom-made bonus when it comes to boss funnels, because you do need the traffic. Okay, then I'm also going to give you a massive done for you package. So here you're getting campaigns, emails, evergreen funnels, and more. So a huge value right here. As you can see, Brendan is selling his done for you package for $197. You're getting mine for free. Okay. You're also gonna get additional software bonuses. So copywriting automator is software number 1, opt-in fire software number 2, voucher machine software number 3. You're also gonna get my own exclusive course on creating a buyers list ninja, urgency suits pro, that's another piece of software for affiliate marketers, and a bunch of additional W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, software and plugins. So let me just list them for you. Ready? We got the lost code, the Fuego multiplier, the secret weapon, Fuego breakout, a case study on free traffic, tube traffic avalanche, commission blueprint, launch jacking, Instagram marketing made easy, $10,000 per month, 10K a month online, authority traffic masters, Facebook live reaction, agent press, phase zone, vid builder, press play, image and video commenter, social auto poster, slick pop, beatbot, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, courses plugin, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, Facebook photo contest, affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin, biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, TrueText, IS, Popbox, sales bar, short call to action. Now that's a total of 59 bonuses. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. Now my mega bonus just recently got bigger, and it is now 116 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, which means that the total value of this package is $5,197. So guys, please check out my full written review as well. And right now let's sum up this BeastFunnels review. You can turn 100% free traffic into leads, sales, and profits. These funnels are automated. You don't need a website or domain or hosting or tech skills. It is all done for you. You can triple your marketing reach. Now, as I mentioned, you're gonna get 3 different traffic sources. So an autoresponder, many chat option, and a push notification option as well. That's why I really like this product. 100% free traffic built in. You saw all the free traffic training and a money back guarantee, so you can't go wrong. And what I don't like about BeastFunnels, you do have to use these funnels as is. Okay, so you can't really edit the squeeze pages. Obviously you can edit them to some point, but you can't like make them totally different. Okay, so that's the only negative thing about BeastFunnels. Guys, before you go, let me just show you how to claim my BeastFunnels bonus. Okay, so all you have to do is go to Warrior Plus, click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find BeastFunnels, and below the button that will get you to the purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from March. So that's how you claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. And for the last time, BeastFunnels goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on July 22nd. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please leave a like, and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!